Hello, welcome to this subject. So the subject is problem solving, mathematical investigation, and modeling. So I am your teacher, I'm teacher Melai, and let's talk about an overview of the problem solving, mathematical investigation, and modeling. So these are the program outcomes, and this is obtained from CMO number 75, series of 2017, and found in page 3 and 5. So it is stated that these are the program's outcomes. So as education major taking up mathematics, or rather as Bachelor of Science in Education major in mathematics. So here are the program's outcomes of your degree. So to be effectively, or rather to effectively communicate in English and in Filipino, both orally and in writing, to work effectively and collaboratively with a substantial degree of independence in multidisciplinary and multicultural teams, to exhibit competence in mathematical concepts and procedures, to demonstrate proficiency in problem solving by solving and creating both routine and non-routine problems with different levels of complexity, to appreciate mathematics as an opportunity for creative work, moments of enlightenment, discovery, and gaining insight of the world. So for the description of the subject, so it intends to enhance the students' knowledge and skills in dealing with real life and or non-routine applications of mathematics. So students will have the opportunity to explore the use of problem-solving strategies or heuristics as they engage in mathematical investigations to formulate and justify conjectures, to make generalizations, and to communicate mathematical ideas. So this is the list of our course learning outcomes. So you will be able to demonstrate understanding of the role of the problem solving in mathematical investigations and modeling in mathematics education. You will be able to demonstrate knowledge and skills in the use of problem solving heuristics when analyzing and solving real life and non-routine problems, to demonstrate creative and critical thinking in exploring, inventing, problem-solving strategies, and posing new problems in collaborations with other students, to exhibit problem-solving competence by engaging in mathematical investigation anchored on real life and or non-routine problems, and to reflect, reason, and to argue critically when communicating results of mathematical investigation. So for the outline or the topics that we are expecting for this course, so we have the following. So for part 1 or lesson number 1, we will be discussing problem solving in mathematics education. So we have here subtopics: definition and process, mathematics education, conceptual framework of K-12 math curriculum, factors affecting problem solving, and lessons from research studies on implementing problem solving. So for the part 2, so we will be dealing with mathematical investigation and modeling, which means that both closed versus open-ended problems, problem posing, mathematical investigation, process versus activity, and mathematical modeling in the real world. So for part 3, so we have here problem solving heuristics. So we have A to H heuristics such as searching for pattern, making a diagram, organizing data, using logic, modifying problems, dividing cases, considering extreme cases, looking for symmetry, choosing effective notation, working backward, pursuing parity, coloring, and proving. For part 4, so we will also talk about some important principles such as the pigeonhole, invariant, principle of mathematical induction, and to argue by contradictions. And finally, we are going to end with reports with your reports or reporting result of the mathematical investigation. So you will be asked to come up with a mathematical investigation. So you're going to do the process of mathematical investigation and report it in this part. So these are the suggested references. Again, all the references here can be downloaded online. And for the reference of all the topics that are the target of this subject, so we have here the reference. So you can also get a copy by accessing this URL. So it's actually from the Mathematics Syllabi Compendium.